Hi and welcome to this week's Hello Focus product, which is about this amazing wooden teepee made from maple. It's designed specifically for under twos, isn't it? Yes, it is. So, what you're going to get from this, sensory spaces like this are absolutely perfect for promoting cognitive development. Also an overall sensory experience, and social interactions as well, even at this very early age. Another great thing about this, it's just 3 pieces. There's no fixings to it. It's 3 wooden pieces that simply click together, and it's sturdy and robust. Again, making it perfect for children in the early years, especially the really young ones. Dimensions are 87 centimetres by 84 centimetres by 61 centimetres. Yes, good size that, isn't it? These teepees are made from a antibacterial material, wood, maple wood, making them absolutely perfect for children under 2. And the best part, this fantastic piece of early years equipment is only £135 plus VAT. Hope you like it. If you'd like to order one, just reply to the text, send me an email, or go online to Play.Empire.co.uk. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.